Hello guys, today as you see we have a new unboxing. The Silvercrest kitchen tool, a professional food processor, splatter guard with a filling opening we see here. Right here we have a powerful 1300 watt motor, also ideal for heavy duty. For knighting, mixing and blending, blender attachment with a stainless steel blade inside. We have mixing bowl approximately 6.3 liters, blend approximately 1.5 liters. Some pictures, the box, and let's see. Okay. The manual, if you want to read it, it's your choice. It's the cap. Very nice. It's a plastic cap, and inside this blender. It's a glass blender. Okay. Okay. Very good. We'll see it later. Take out. Okay, this is the red color, of course, very beautiful. Power cord. And inside, of course, we are going to see accessories. Heavy duty accessories. And this. And very big this. Very nice color, very durable device. We have the opening button, it releases all this and it goes up. Next we have the speed of the motor, 0 to 10. We have the pulse. Here we are connecting all the accessories. Turning around. Very easy. Blender. The blender has a rubber here for more sealing. It's the blade inside. It's a glass, very durable. All the device feels very durable, very professional. Here, you just connect the blender and locks. Well, guys, I think that was all. And this is the Silvercrest kitchen unit. Very professional, very durable. I definitely am going to make a video how it works, to buy it or not. But for 90 euros it's very cheap and very durable. I think it will make its job. Well, thank you again guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video, it's your choice. But please hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss more videos in the future. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.